Now is your chance to purchase 1.84 plus or minus acres in White County, Indiana, selling on an unreserved online auction. Bidding opens July 11th and ends July 25th. This property offers 1.84 plus or minus acres of prime real estate on Highway 43 South and allows you to establish or grow your business or operation. It includes 2 large industrial buildings and a large outdoor receiving/staging area and storage area. Located in White County, Indiana, just 1 mile north of Brookston, Indiana, and 13 miles from West Lafayette, Indiana. Building 1 was built in 2017 and is an 80 by 48 containing 3,840 square feet with an office, restroom, and workspace. This building has a cement floor. The building has water, 3-phase electric, and a sewer. It also includes security cameras. The building also includes a crane attachment point. The crane is selling separately on the Cain equipment auction ending July 25th. Building 2 was built in 2021 and is an 80 by 72 foot containing 5,760 square feet. The main building is 80 by 48, containing 3,840 square feet of open storage space. This building has rock-based floor and 80 by 24 containing 1,920 square feet lean-to addition on the east side of the main building. For more information, contact listing agent Ken McGuire at 317-385-7415.